Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you guys will create your business profile on pinterest.com. So in this video I will show you step by step process, so how you guys will create a perfectly your business profile on Pinterest. So you can see, simply you can open your Pinterest website. So you can simply type on Google SCRP Pinterest and you are able to see first website. You can click on this. And there you can see there is on top of the right corner there is a sign up button. You can click over there and you guys can click on the you can see in the bottom section there is a create a free business account button. You can click over there and from there you guys can fill your email address and you will fill your password, and from there you guys can add your date of birth and you can click on the create account button. So this email is taken. So let me see if I have another email. Let me check. So this is an email. So if we can use this email, so you guys will use a temporary email. So only for the video I can use this temp email to creating a business profile. But if you guys are creating your business profile, so must you guys can use a genuine email, so that after that you guys are make any changes or verification kind of things, you can use your email ID. Okay, so I can going to use this and after that you can simply click on the create account button. And you will see your first step. We have completed our first step. After that you can select your category. So online merchant, consumer goods, service provider, content creation, public or media agency and another. So if anything are matching to your business, so you can proceed with your option, and after that you can click on the next button, and from there you guys can add your business name. So business name you can add DML example, and after that you can choose your country, and there you guys can add your website URL. So let me, this is my website URL, and after that if you are haven't any website, so you can simply click on the I don't have a website. After that you can click on the next button, and there you guys can choose your business goal. So business goal is you are wanting to increase online sales, you're wanting more leads, you're wanting traffic. So you can select any of these options. After that you can select your brand category. So if you are anything are matching to your business, so you can choose, and if are not anything, so you can proceed with another, and there you guys can add choose the option. So you can choose I'm not sure yet, and after that you can click on the add done button, and your business profile is created. So simply you guys can share any pin if you wanting, so you can cross these things, and after that you will see this is your profile, and you can click on this and you will see this is your profile things. So you can see first thing we can optimize our profile URL. So you can see this is a not best URL. So simply you can click on the edit profile button, and from there you can add your business name, your about your company. So just for the video I can going to add a description, and there we have added our website URL, but you guys can fill again your website URL, and you can see there is a HTTPS these things, so you can remove and you can update again. From this section you can update your username. So there you guys can add your company name or your business name. So suppose that I'm creating video for the DML example, I can choose this one, and after that There you guys can choose your country code and you will add your mobile number or phone number. And after that you can add your addresses. So addresses is D44 gully number 5 Badarpur border. City is New Delhi. You will add your all the address details. State is Delhi. Pin code is 110055. Country is India. And after that, once you guys can complete these things, you can click on the save button. And after that, if you're wanting, so you can update your profile picture. Basically you can want, but you can upload your profile picture. So now we have completed all the things. You can click on the save button and you guys will see this is your profile business landing Pinterest profile landing page URL, and this is your, you guys can refresh once and you are able to see your profile picture. It might take a couple of seconds, but you can see this is our website URL. If I can click, I can able to navigate on these things. So this is a process for the creating business profile on Pinterest.com. So you guys can follow the same method and you guys will create your business profile on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.